Hello and welcome to Greenland Autos. Have a look at this freshly imported 2013 Suzuki Splash. Stylish design, a comfortable hatchback with a good ground clearance and very height inside. People with bit taller, they can easily access inside and out. One of the hatchback we recommend. It's powered by 1.3 liter engine. Pretty much similar engine of the Suzuki Swift, but bit more spacious. That's the main thing. Very big front grille, that's attraction. Fog lamps. Factory mag wheels with pretty good tires on it. Comes with a proximity key, 2 sets of proximity key, so just need to push the buttons to lock and unlock the car. A flat back, that is the attraction of this vehicle, and like in what we said, elegant design with the tail light. Very good back window, so it's giving you a good vision, and that's a boot space. Very good boot space, we said, and the seats can be folded down. Also having the baby seat anchor points. Following inside, that's the main thing. It's having a good leg room and a good height. All diagonal seat belts. Power windows, central locking, power mirrors, also having electronic stability program, vehicle traction control. Comes with a twin air, so it comes with a couple of airbags, 2 in the front and the side as well. So vehicle just get AC. So vehicle just driven 73,423 kilometers on clock. That's been certified. Automatic air conditioning. Oh, sorry, it's not an automatic, it's a manual air conditioning. New Zealand stereo with the USB aux, hands-free calling, and all the facilities inside. Traction control, fog lamps. We'll have a look on the engine room. So mentioned earlier, it's powered by 1.3 liter engine. Brand new battery with a 2 years warranty on it. Vehicle is fully serviced, including the wheel alignment is done. According to the age of the vehicle, it's in excellent condition. Vehicle is inspected from VTN side. We are MTA assured dealership, so you can buy the vehicles with full confidence. Talk to us today regarding the best offer and the best interest rate finance options. Thank you.